Welcome.
haybad waxaad ku leedahay
Welcome.
maylimiidi maqlin haybad waxaad ku leedahay
All right, we're back. And as promised, we are going to have an award segment to thank all of the people who have been part in making this happen. All right, so all of these are Excellence in Service Awards. First award goes to Teresa Johnson in recognition of your unwavering support, hard work, and dedication to the Somali community of Ohio. Give it up.
صعبك يا مشعرده
All right. All right, so our next award goes to Jana Hendricks yes, go ahead. Yes. Woo! In recognition of your unwavering support, hard work, and dedication to the Somali community of Ohio.
صعبك يا مشعرده يسيها
All right, so the third award goes to, yes, and you. All right, third award goes to Representative Ismail Mohammed in appreciation of your contributions as House Representative of Ohio and your steadfast support of the Somali community of Ohio. And Coach Mahmud will accept this award on his behalf. All right, come on, let's show some love. The hardest working 17-year-old will be accepting this award on his behalf. Give it up for Zach, aka Boss. Since he's, part of the program and one of the organizers, he can't obviously give himself an award, but this young man, Moss, yes,
Moss!
hardest working 17-year-old. I'm bound tagging. Gaan banu tagging, gaan tagging. Saab ka noogu dara. All right. So, our award, next award goes to Coach Mahmud Asman in recognition of your unwavering support, hard work, and dedication to the Somali community in Ohio. Your influence in shaping Somali dance has inspired countless youth, fostering a deeper appreciation of our cultural heritage. Yes, give it up for Coach Mahmud. Come on, welcome all the way to the stage.
Hey.
I'd like to add that Coach Mahmud has inspired me a lot too. I had been attending the Somali Museum of Minnesota annual event for as long as I can remember because of the good work that he does with the museum and with the dance troupe. Thank you for keeping our culture alive. Give it up for Coach Mahmud again. All right, so the final award. This is a legacy award, 20 years of excellence, presented to the founder of Somali Museum of Minnesota, Adar Osman Ali, in yes! Yes, come on, you can do better than that. Look at the youth. Give it up for the youth, horta. But back to Adar Usman Ali, who has given 20 years of excellent service to preserving Somali culture and heritage. In recognition of your unwavering service and dedication to the Somali community in North America, your outstanding efforts in reviving Somali culture and leaving a lasting legacy for future generations are commendable and much, much appreciated. Give it up for Adar Usman Ali. Kuso dawaya stage ka, kuso dawaya. All the way, let's go.
Hello, Somali Museum, come on.
DJ Gawila Shaqaynaya, thank you very much. Give it up for DJ Jaylani, y'all. All right, so one more award. And this award goes to the Somali Museum of Minnesota Dance Troupe. Dhalinyarta caawadani ciyaaray in cajabiyey all the dances maxalliga in ciyaarayay. Give it up for the Somali Museum of Minnesota Dance Troupe.
Hello, Somali Museum, hello. Everybody stand up. صعب
All right, so we're gonna continue our show, and we are going to continue with the next artist. And when I